Hello everyone. Let us solve problem on slope and intercepts of the line. So question is find the slope and intercepts of the lines. Two lines are given. Line A 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 and straight line B is 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Line A is appeared in winter 2023 for 2 marks and line B is appeared in summer 2025 for 2 marks. So, solution for this, let us consider line A, which is given by 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. And now, on right hand side, 6 is constant. We have to take this 6 on left hand side, means taking all terms on one side. Hence, 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Consider this as equation number 1. And now we have to compare this straight line equation with general equation of straight line, and which is given by ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now here comparing straight line 1 and general equation which is straight line 2, comparing ax with 2x, by with 3y and c with minus 6 means we are comparing coefficients of x, y and constant term. Hence from above it is clear that 2x is equal to ax. Hence a is equal to 2. 3y is equal to by. Hence b is equal to 3. And constant term c is equal to minus 6. Now using these three values, we have to find out slope of straight line, and which is given by minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y, that is minus a upon b. But a is 2 and b is 3, hence minus 2 upon 3 is slope of given straight line. Similar to this, we have to find out intercepts of the line on coordinate axis. Hence x intercept is given by, which is equal to minus constant term divided by coefficient of x, that is minus c upon a is equal to minus of into bracket minus 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 6 upon 2. Divide numerator and denominator by 2, that gives 3. Hence x intercept is 3. Now we have to find out y intercept. So y-intercept is nothing but minus constant term divided by coefficient of y, which is equal to minus c upon b, but c is minus 6. So minus of minus 6 divided by 3, which is equal to 6 upon 3. Now divide numerator and denominator by 3, that gives 2. Hence x-intercept is 3, y-intercept is 2, and slope is minus 2 upon 3. This is solution of given sum. Now let us consider straight line B, which is given by 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Here also 12 is constant term which is appearing on right hand side. Take this term on left hand side. Hence equation becomes 3x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. We have to take all terms on one side because general equation of straight line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, in which all terms on left hand side. And we have to compare straight line equation 1 with general equation, means we have to compare coefficients of x in equation 1 and in equation 2, as well as coefficients of y in equation 1 and in equation 2, and then constant terms in equation 1 and in equation 2. Now here ax is equal to 3x. This implies a is equal to 3. By is equal to 4y, which gives b is equal to 4. And now constant terms c is equal to minus 12. Using these three values of a, b, c, we can find slope of straight line, which is given by minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y, that is minus a upon b, where a is 3 and b is 4, hence slope is equal to minus 3 divided by 4. Then we have to find out intercepts. X intercept is given by minus constant term divided by coefficient of x, which is equal to minus c upon a, which is equal to minus of minus 12 divided by 3, which is equal to 12 upon 3, and dividing numerator and denominator by 3, that gives 4. Hence x intercept is 4. Similarly, we have to find out y intercept. Y intercept is equal to minus constant term divided by coefficient of y, which is equal to minus c upon b, which is equal to minus of minus 12 divided by 4, which is nothing but 12 upon 4. Now divide numerator and denominator by 4, that gives 3. In this way, this is solution of given sum, hence the answer. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.